Hey guys, so, so I'm in partial. So just trying to reproduce the bug you mentioned in detail. So here's an activity, the main activity we would say, ending with 248. Its disposal is this one, ending with 488. So I have opened both. This is a main activity, which vehicle is R12, and let me check the driver. Okay, so driver is Richard. Okay, and similar for the disposal, R12 is the vehicle and the driver is same. Okay, so right now I'm going to change a vehicle from R12 to R10. So I moved main activity and its disposal activity also get moved, and on click of it. Okay, so vehicle is changed, driver is also get changed. So I'm going to refresh here. Okay, our vehicle is R10 and the driver is Corey. Similarly for disposal, let me check the Corey, McKibben, and this vehicle is same R10. So ideally this we couldn't found this issue uh, in partial. So let me know if you have any question on this again. Thank you.